What's up, guys? We're here installing a Dissent Offroad modular rear bumper on this 5th gen 4Runner. Customer opted for a high clearance hitch, tire swing out, high lift jack mount, all the good stuff. So we got the bumper off. We're gonna start by cutting a bunch of stuff out, and then we'll get on with bolting the rest of the stuff together. So. Alright guys, here we are. So, we got the hitch all welded in after we cut the cross member out, made some room. Looks pretty good under there, but you can't see it, so that kind of sucks for me, but that's okay. We got the bumper bolted on. These are actually two separate pieces, which is kind of cool. Makes it super easy. I didn't have to ask for help to lift it up on there. We got the wing supports bolted in. Everything is on there as far as the base bumper goes. Now we're gonna go in and put all the options on. So you got a passenger side tire carrier swing out. We'll put the high lift jack mount on that. We'll do the backup camera relocation and then license plate light. So we can hang the license plate on the tire carrier. So we'll keep rolling. We just finished this Dissent Offroad rear bumper. It's all modular. The customer only opted for one swing out, so we got the tire swing out on. You can add a second one over here, which is pretty cool. But we put a spare tire on here. It's got a slam latch and a strut, so it opens itself. It does have rubber bump stops, so it's not gonna fly open, make a bunch of banging and clanging noises. The other cool thing here, this swing out does have a table. There you go. Pretty sweet setup. If you guys are interested in this or like it, give us a call, send us an email. We can help you out.